morning. It's 7:22 a.m. on December 28th. The propane has run out in my motorhome. No more procrastinating. I think I need to move into the Argosy today. Hey everyone, it's Momo. Today I'm going to start the process of moving out of my camper, the Gnome Palace as we call it, Dodge Superior Motorhome, and I'm gonna move into the Argosy, which is across the way. You'll see right there. We have determined that a good course of action would be for me to bring out the things that I want to be in the Argosy out on the table, and then Cal can find a good spot for them since he is kind of the Argosy master. He's been living in it full time for the past month or so and tending to it. And so I just think like it might be better for him to put things in there and then figure out where his things are going, as opposed to me just like getting in there with all my stuff. So I'm thinking it's going to be about a 2 or 3 day process. I don't think I have that much stuff. It's just about being creative as to where to put it. One of the ultimate questions is, how many shoes do I bring? One big thing I'm definitely bringing, well, two, because I have 2 big bags of Jittery Joe's coffee. Living off-grid also, I'm thinking, will I be able to charge this and keep it charged, or should I just get a normal toothbrush now? All right, the move-in has begun. Starting with Kiki's objects. The litter box is already in there. She's used it once already. And we're trying to find a place for her litter genie. So, most important things, cat. First, we're gonna see if things fit. What you think, Kiki? Oh! I will bring her food now. I think she will like that.
It's only a few complaints a day is the summary. A few complaints a day. We're not monitoring each other's complaining too much. Well, a little bit, but not too much. I mean, in general, it's you decide if you complained or not, and then you move your thing over. And I have definitely tried to complain less, but every now and then I get on a big roll. For example, I asked this guy at the muffler shop, could he look at the muffler? It was a tire store, but they did exhaust. Okay, so I said, could you look at the muffler and see if it's leaking? And he said, yeah, we'll take a look. And then later I asked him if he'd take a look. He said, yeah, I didn't see anything. Well, I got up under there, later, and the whole muffler is falling off. The muffler is falling off. And then there's leaks where the part of the tailpipe was hitting the drive shaft, and that like actually, ripped a hole in it. There's a whole hole in it. On this other part, there's another hole in it. There's 2 holes that anyone could look at if you just looked at it. Now, this is what I'm saying. He did not do his job. That's a complaint. I should actually put it on Yelp or something, because that's the problem.
Yelp, the ultimate complaint area. Cal likes to roll around the mud and then probably put this back in his clean clothes closet.
It's all muddy under here. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh man. Oh yeah. Okay. Could you hand me like different things and put them like here? Like, yeah, those. I'm gonna patch this big one here first.
He's patching holes in the muffler. He's just patching them with other pieces of metal.
Well, the muffler fell apart and then it started scraping on the drive shaft. And the drive shaft basically wore a hole in it.
A hole?
Well, just a hole. And the other hole has to do with the connection of the muffler on, or the tailpipe onto the muffler. Let's see.
I'm gonna try to find him a way to support his head. This doesn't look very comfortable, but maybe it's something. What about this?
Yeah, that's nice. Yeah. Can you get me a set of pliers? They should. There should be some pliers under the sink in this motorhome.
Are these pliers? I feel ignorant. Are these pliers?
Those are called vice grips, but I'm not keeping.
Vice grips. I mean, I kind of know what pliers are. Oh, that's not it. Where is it? I don't know. Pliers. They ply. They're able to ply things. Oh, no? I don't even know. These are the only things I can find.
Okay, those are. Well, one of them's pliers. The other.
Oh!
This
Which one?
is pliers. This is a snip.
Oh, wow.
That's a wire cutter. But these are pliers. These are.
I thought only needle nose were pliers.
Well, that's a variety of plier.
There's a variety of pliers.
Hey, Momo, the pillow that you gave me really helps. Notice I'm not screaming and cursing.
Okay.
It's because of that
Wow.
pillow that you've used to block my head up. I don't have to hold it up with my neck muscles. So it's really helpful.
I'm glad. For our internet needs, I decided to purchase a Starlink, which is this. It's pretty big. And it also moves. Is it moving now? It moves. He's working in a very muddy mess. It's been pouring down rain for the past 24 hours. And it's made it a little warmer here, but everything is very wet and muddy. What I'm doing now is I'm downloading maps off Google Maps so that we will have access to offline maps while we are traveling. I'm getting it on the iPad and also on Cal's phone. It's December 29th, 2 days till liftoff. Oh wow. Cat on the table.
Cat on the table.
Well, she's off now. Oh, now she's on my iPad. Okay.